In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This is a super handy feature that can make your spreadsheets not only look more professional, but also become more interactive and user-friendly. To start off, open up your Google Sheets document and find the specific cell or range of cells where you'd like to add your drop-down list. Go ahead and click on that cell. Having a clear idea of where you want this feature inserted will streamline the process immensely. Once you've selected your desired cell, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on Data. This drop-down menu hosts various options, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on Data Validation. Selecting Data Validation will prompt a panel to appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll find the tools to set up and customize your drop-down list. Click on Add Rule to begin. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your drop-down. Now, you'll see a section labeled Apply to Range. This tells Google Sheets exactly which cell or range of cells should have the drop-down. Double-check to ensure that it's correctly set to the cell or cells you initially selected. Next, you'll move to the Criteria section, where the magic truly happens. Here, you want to select Drop-Down from the list of available options. As soon as you choose Drop-Down, you'll notice that a new box appears below it, allowing you to enter the items for your list. These items will be what users can select from the drop-down. Take a moment to think about the text entries that would best suit your needs and enter them here. If you're looking to customize further, you have the option to change the colors of these items. Adding color not only makes your drop-down look visually appealing, but can also serve as a quick visual cue for users. Once you're satisfied with the items and their colors, the final step is to click Done. This will save your changes and implement the drop-down feature. Now, go ahead and click back on your chosen cell. You'll see a small downward arrow indicating that a drop-down list is present. Click on this arrow and watch your freshly created drop-down menu emerge, showcasing the options you've put in place. This drop-down is now live and ready to use, conveniently displaying the entries you meticulously set up. So there you have it. You've successfully added a functional drop-down list to your Google Sheets document. This feature is a fantastic way to ensure that inputted data is consistent and standardized, especially in shared documents. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you can now confidently use drop-down lists to enhance your Google Sheets experience. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.